studio. I want to say thank you for coming to my YouTube channel and spending a few minutes with me. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much. I hope that you will hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I have any new videos posting. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I am so happy that you're back with me, and I appreciate you coming back and spending time with me. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about my first live event that's going to be upcoming. And I'm going to be showing you something a little bit different than I normally do. I'm going to show you how to take a royalty-free line drawing from the internet and turn it into a painting. Now this particular line drawing right here I got from a royalty-free website called highclipart.com, and I just put in lady in a hat because I wanted to paint a lady in a hat. So this is one of the ones that came up and I really liked it. So I am going to show you step by step how to take this drawing and paint it for a painting for your home or for a gift or whatever. There are endless possibilities with this line drawing. You can leave the lines out in the shirt and make it a solid color shirt and have that. You can make the hat a different color. I really enjoyed painting this this design here. Put this on the side, maybe you can see it a little bit better. It was just so much fun to play around with this and create the skin tones, and I want this to be front and center here. And to create all of the beautiful skin tones that are in this particular painting. So it was just so much fun to create, and you can do so much. You can change the skin tones to be more pink, to be more olive, to be more dark. You really, the sky is the limit. But if you're a person who wants to paint different things but you can't draw, or you feel like you can't draw, there are line drawings out there for free that you can paint. You just cannot produce them and sell them, you know, like a business. You can go get them and paint them for yourself or for a gift, but you can't produce them to be selling. So unless you have written consent from the artist who drew the picture. So there's lots of royalty-free line drawings out there. There are lots of coloring book line drawings out there that you can use. You can get your own photographs. You can find royalty-free photographs and turn those into a line drawing. I will be having some upcoming videos that show you how to take a photograph and turn it into a line drawing so that you can put it on your canvas or whatever you want to paint on, and how to take it from there and paint and add your colors. Once you start developing more skills in this, it becomes easier and easier to know what colors you want to go with and things like that. So I'm hoping to help those of you that want to do something a little bit different and maybe find your own line drawings and see what you can do with it on your own. But this is just going to be a step in that direction, showing you how to do this. And I hope to have more videos coming up in the next few months showing you how to do different things like this. Either finding a line drawing that we can take and paint, or finding a photograph that we can create a line drawing from. So I know there are probably some artists out there who say, oh no, don't use a line drawing, don't do it, you've got to freehand it. You don't have to freehand it. You do not have to freehand anything. So those line drawings are out there to help you as a guide, and you can omit anything out of it you don't like. You can add things to it for your own pleasure. So this is where you get to be creative. Change the color of the shirt, maybe change the color of the stripes, make the hat a different color, make the hat band a different color, you know, her hair a different color. As you can see, my hair is completely different than the hair on the line drawing. So I didn't want quite that much detail. I wanted, you know, a more kind of messy, kind of windblown look for her hair, which is, you know, kind of what I got there. So the sky is the limit with this stuff. So I am really hoping to be able to start these videos, and I hope that you will come along on my journey with me with these. I'm excited about my first live event. It is going to be probably within the next week or so. I don't have the date exactly pinned down, but by the time I post this video, it will be pinned down with this video. And I don't have a moderator. I don't have that luxury, so it will just be me and my computer, and I will do the best I can to watch the comments and the questions, but if I don't get to them while I am doing the painting, I definitely will go back and answer and respond to all of the questions and comments that I can. You are important to me, and I am just kind of guiding you on your journey, and I'm here to answer any questions and help you in any way that I can. So I'm looking forward to this new step in my painting journey. To help you come along with me is great. So be watching for this live event, and I hope that you will all join me. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs ups, they definitely help my YouTube channel, and my goal is not so much to have 1 million followers or subscribers. My goal is to get you to paint, to find the creativity in yourself, to find that relaxing time of whatever you do, whether it's painting or crafting, sewing, crocheting, whatever it is. I just want you to find that that happy time. It's just, for me, painting is such a relaxing thing, and it just takes me away from everything else, and I just can absorb myself in what I'm doing and forget about anything else that's going on. So I really hope that painting is that for you, and that you will come and join me on my journey. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys at my live event or in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.